welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you the next video in my Begin Like a Boss series. Today we're going to be talking about blush and contour and bronzer and highlighter, okay? So I already have my foundation on and my concealer on, and we are just going to dive right in and make this a quick one. So contour. All these things are optional. Sometimes I just throw on blush to give myself a little bit of color in my cheeks, but here's the purpose of all of them. So contour is usually like an ashy gray color, and this is adding like shadows to your face, is helping define your cheekbones and maybe under here shadowing and your forehead, and it will just help you to appear a little bit more cut. So we're going to go ahead and add some of this in. You can also do your nose to make your nose appear thinner. Whew, I am like out of breath. Okay, and I'm going to do a little bit on my neck. So contour comes in lots of different forms. Mine is a stick form and I really like it. And didn't have my brush. And then I'm just using a little brush and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all in. You could do this with your fingers alternatively as well. And you'll notice if you have a really short forehead, so I have a fairly wide and tall forehead, and if yours was really short, you wouldn't ever want to contour up here or bronze very much up here because it will just make your forehead appear really short. On the other hand, if you have more of like a 5 head instead of a 4 head, you definitely want to contour in there, and that helps to lessen that a little bit. Contouring I think is fun because you really can enhance the shape of your face, and it's really cool. Okay, so you can see how just that alone really did add some dimension to my face and helped me look not quite so flat. Okay, then we have bronzer. I'm just going in with a powdered bronzer. Bronzers can be shimmery and are usually more on like the gold brown tone, less gray, because they are just giving us like a sun-kissed look. Okay, and you can put bronzer in all the same places that you did your contour. Because I'm doing both today, I'm being super extra, I'm just going to put my bronzer on my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead. Just kind of where you would get a natural tan during the summertime. I think bronzer is so fun, especially during wintertime when we're all a little bit paler. Just helps us to, you know, look bronzed. Okay, then blush. I love blush so much. Like I said, frequently I will just throw on blush, especially in summertime when I already am a little bit tan on my face. Then I'll just throw on some blush to liven my face up a bit and call it a day. So there are, again, different types. This is a cream blush and this is a powder blush, and they're both fabulous. These are my two favorites. Today I think I'm gonna go in with the powder because it's not quite, more of a peachy fall color. And blush, so often they teach us, you know, to go like this and then put it right here. And I actually prefer to smile and then put it a little bit higher. I found that this kind of lifts my face more than just putting it right here. Instead of drawing the attention kind of like right there, it helps just like lift up. And I think all of us, as we're getting older and whatnot, want to lift our faces in any way we can. So that really does make a difference. So yeah, and you especially don't want to drag any of your bronzer or blush lower than your cheekbone line. So feel those lines or feel those bones in your face and be really conscious not to do that, because that has the opposite effect, and it will drag down your face and make you look crazy. That's one of my biggest makeup pet peeves. Do not put your blush and bronzer lower than those lines. Keep them nice and high so your face looks lifted and not dragged down. Okay? Okay, next we are just going to quickly go in with a little bit of highlighter. There are tons of different options for highlighters as well, liquid or powder. And then also like really intense and less intense. So this is one by PYT Beauty, and it's really, really pretty. It's just like a nice, subtle highlighter. I don't even know if you can see it on there, but you can definitely see it on your face. Whereas this one is a Wet n Wild highlighter, really affordable. I think it's like $3. And this one is very stroby, I would say. You can even tell on my finger that that one is definitely more intense. Okay, so my microphone died right here, but with highlighter, you're just gonna dip in a little bit and you're gonna hit the top of your cheeks. You can see how that makes it just shiny and glowy. You're gonna hit the top of your nose. You can get your Cupid's bow. This really accentuates the shape of your lip, which is really fun. I think highlighter is fabulous. I think I've said that about every single product in this video. But each product is so fun. Okay, then if you need to calm down your highlighter, like if you found you put on way too much or it's just a little bit too shiny, you could take your foundation brush that you already used and just swipe it over top. Alternatively, you could also put your highlighter on first and then put on your blush, and that will also help. So there you have it, you guys. There is my second video in Begin Like a Boss. I hope that you enjoyed this. Take a few minutes to yourself today and look beautiful so that you can feel beautiful and do beautiful things. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share with friends, and comment below if you have any questions about any of these products or anything else or any videos that you would like to see. And I hope to catch you next time. Thanks, guys.